Correct answer is option A, is rich in proteins. Next question is, algae have cell wall made up of A, cellulose, galactans and mannans, B, hemicellulose, pectins and proteins, C, pectins, cellulose and proteins, D, cellulose, hemicellulose and pectins. Correct answer is option B, hemicellulose, pectins and proteins. Next question is, pyrenoids are the centers for formation of A, porphyria, B, enzymes, C, fat, D, starch. Correct answer is option D, starch. Next question is, which of the following cannot fix nitrogen? A, nostoc, B, azotobacter, C, spirogyra, D, Anabaena. Correct answer is option C, spirogyra. Next question is, which one of the following is a living fossil? A, Pinus, B, Apuncia, C, Ginkgo, D, Thuja. Correct answer is option C, Ginkgo. Next question is, the basis of classification under the natural system of classification was A, phytochemistry, B, anatomy, C, structural embryology, D, all of the above. The correct answer is option D, all of the above. Next question is, what is discussed under phylogenetic system of classification? A, evolutionary relationship of organisms, B, cytotaxonomy, C, cytological information, D, structural embryology. Correct answer is option A, evolutionary relationship of organisms. Next question is, select the incorrect pair. A, numerical taxonomy, all observable characteristics. B, cytotaxonomy, cytological information. C, chemotaxonomy, chromosome number and structure. D, cladistic taxonomy, origin from a common ancestor. Correct answer is option C, chemotaxonomy, chromosome number and structure. Next question is, algae are A, chlorophyll bearing autotrophs, B, simple and thyroid, C, both A and B, D, heterotrophs. Correct answer is option C, both A and B, chlorophyll bearing autotrophs, simple and thyroid. Next question is, algae occur in oblique on A, fresh and marine water, B, moist stones, C, moist soil and wood, D, all of these. Correct answer is option D, all of these. Next question is, in algae, asexual reproduction occurs by the production of different types of spores. The most common type of spore is zoospore. A, true, B, false. Correct option is A, true. Next question is, which one of the following statements is incorrect? A, algae increase the level of dissolved oxygen in the in the immediate environment. B. Algin is obtained from red algae and carrageen from brown algae. C. Agar-agar is obtained from Geladium and Gracilaria. D. Laminaria and Sargassum are used as food. Correct answer is option B. Algin is obtained from red algae and carrageen from brown algae. Next question is, in which of the following chlorophyll A and B is present? A. Red algae, B. Yellow algae, C. Brown algae, D. Green algae. Correct answer is option D. Green algae. Next question is, pyrenoids are made up of A. Core of starch surrounded by sheath of protein, B. Core of protein surrounded by fatty sheath, C. Proteinaceous center and starchy sheath, D. Core of nucleic acid surrounded by protein sheath. Correct answer is option C. Proteinaceous center and starchy sheath. Next question is, the members of Chlorophyceae usually have a rigid cell wall made up of A. Cellulose outer layer and algin inner layer, B. Pectose inner layer and peptidoglycan outer layer, C. Cellulose inner layer and pectose outer layer, D. Chitin inner layer and pectose outer layer. The correct answer is option C. Cellulose inner layer and pectose outer layer. Next question is, Volvox, Chlamydomonas, Chara, Ulothrix are the example of A. Class Chlorophyceae green algae, B. Class Rhodophyceae red algae and Chlorophyceae, C. Class Phaeophyceae brown algae, D. Class Cyanophyceae blue-green algae. The correct answer is option A. Class Chlorophyceae green algae. Next question is, kelp branched form and Ectocarpus filamentous form belong to A. Green algae, B. Brown algae, C. Red algae, D. Blue-green algae. Correct answer is option B. Brown algae. Next question is, holdfast, stipe and frond constitute the plant body in case of A. Rhodophyceae, B. Chlorophyceae, C. Phaeophyceae, D. all of these. Correct answer is option C. Phaeophyceae. Next question is, the pairs that do not belong to class Phaeophyceae are A. Ectocarpus and Dictyota, B. Fucus and Dictyota, C. Laminaria and Sargassum, D. Polysiphonia and Geladium. The correct answer is option D. Polysiphonia and Geladium. Next question is, red algae resemble blue-green algae in the presence of A. Similar cell constituents, B. Phycobilins, C. Similar reserve food, D. Similar mode of reproduction. Correct answer is option B. Phycobilins. Next question is, the color of brown algae is due to A. Phycoerythrin, B. Phycocyanin, C. Fucoxanthin, D. Carotenes. The correct answer is option C. Fucoxanthin. Next question is, all algae possess A. chlorophyll B and carotenes, B. chlorophyll A and carotenes, C. chlorophyll A and chlorophyll C, D. chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B. The correct answer is option B, chlorophyll A and carotenes. Next question is, flagellate cells are absent in A. brown algae, B. red algae, C. green algae, D. Chlamydomonas. The correct answer is option B, red algae. Next question is, sex organs are unicellular and non-jacketed in A. algae, B. bryophyta, C. gymnosperms, D. pteridophyta. Correct answer is option A, algae. Next question is, in green algae meiosis occurs in A. gametangia, B. sporangia, C. zoospore, D. zygospore. The correct answer is option D, zygospore.